A person standing at the junction of two straight paths represented by the equation 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0 wants to reach the path whose equations is 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0 in the least time. Okay, in the least time find the equation of path that he should follow. Okay, so a person is standing at the junction of the two straight paths represented by the equations. Okay, so first step is to find the point of intersection of these two lines. Okay, first we have to find the point of intersection of these two lines. Okay, at the point of intersection the person is standing. Okay, the person is now at the point of intersection of these two lines. Okay, so we have to find the point of intersection. Okay, so the first step is to find the point of intersection. Okay, first we have to find the point of intersection of the two given straight lines. So the straight lines are 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, 3x minus 4y 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0 from the first equation. Okay, the first equation is 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So from the first equation we can write 2x equal to 3y minus 4. Okay, here 2x equal to 3y plus 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So we can write 2x equal to, move this 3y to this side, so it will become 3y, move this 4 to this side, so it will become minus 4. Okay, from this we can write x equal to 3y minus 4 the whole divided by 2. Okay, so this 2 goes to the denominator, so x equal to 3y minus 4 the whole divided by 2. Okay, now substituting x equal to 3y minus 4 divided by 2 in the second equation. Okay, now the second equation becomes 3 into the value, the second equation is 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Put x equal to 3y minus 4 the whole divided by 2. Okay, now the second equation becomes, the second equation is 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so 3 into the value of x is 3y minus 4 divided by 2 plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, now multiplying this 3 with the 3y, it will become 9y. 3 into minus 4 minus 12 the whole divided by 2 plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, now taking LCM, 9y minus 12, 2 into 4y 8y, 2 into minus 4 minus 10 the whole divided by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so the next step is 2 into 0 will be equal to 0. Okay, 2 into 0 will be equal to 0. 9y plus 8y equal to 17y, minus 12 minus 10 is equal to minus 22. Okay, so 9y plus 8y equal to 17y, minus 12 minus 10 equal to minus 22, which is equal to 0. So 17y is equal to 22, so y is equal to 22 divided by 17. Okay, we know that x equal to 3x, x equal to 3y minus 4 divided by 2. Okay, already we have x equal to 3y minus 4 divided by 2. Okay, so we have the value of y, which is equal to 22 divided by 17. So substitute in the x equal to 3 into 22 divided by 17 minus 4 the whole divided by 2. So that is equal to 3 into 22 will be equal to 66, and take LCM, 17 into 4 will be equal to 68. Okay, so 3 into 22 66 minus 17 into 4 will be equal to 68, the whole divided by 17, this 17. Okay, so that is equal to 17, 3 into 22 66 minus 17 into 4 will be equal to 68, the whole divided by 2. Okay, so that is equal to minus 2 divided by 17 the whole divided by 2, which is equal to minus 2 divided by 17 into 2. Okay, this 17 will go to the denominator, so minus 2 divided by 17 into 2. Okay, this 2 gets cancelled, so minus 2, 66 minus 68 is equal to minus 2, and bring this 17 to the denominator, so it will become 2 into 17. Okay, so this 2 gets cancelled, so that is equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 divided by 17. Okay, so the person is standing at point P of minus 1 divided by 17 comma 22 divided by 17. Okay, in the problem it is given that a person standing at the junction of two straight paths. Okay, at the junction of the person is standing at the junction of two straight paths. The paths are 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. The person is standing here at the intersection of these 2 points. Okay, so the intersecting points we have calculated just now. Okay, and the person at point P now wants to reach the path whose equation is 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, note that the person is here. The person is now at point P. Okay, point P we have calculated, and he wants to reach the line or path 6x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0 in least time. Okay, he has to reach the line 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0 in shortest time. Okay, so there are many routes to reach the line 6x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0 from the point P. Okay, now the person is at a point P. He can take this path or this path or this straight line. Okay, but in the problem it is given that in the least time. Okay, so he wants to reach the path whose equation is 6x minus 7y plus 8 in least time. Okay, so he has to take this path to reach the line 6x, to reach this line in the shortest time. Okay, in the least time. Okay, in order to reach the line, to reach this path, he has to go only along this straight line. Okay, because if he takes this path or this path, it will take some time. Okay, so if he goes to this line, this straight line means he can reach the line 6x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0 in least time. Okay, so we have calculated the point P. The person is now at point P. The point P is, we have calculated, the point P is minus 1 by 17 comma 22 divided by 17. Okay, so the slope of the line, okay, another information, this is the line. Okay, first we have to find the slope of this line. Okay, so the next step is to find the slope of this line. Okay, the formula is, to find the slope of the line, we can use the formula m is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So that is equal to minus the coefficient of x, value of coefficient of x is 6 and the value of coefficient of y is minus 7. Okay, so that is equal to minus of coefficient of x is 6, coefficient of y is minus 7. This minus gets cancelled, minus gets cancelled, so m is equal to 6 by 7. Okay, so we have calculated the slope of the line 6x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, the person is at point P and whose coordinate is minus 1 by 17 comma 22 by 17. Okay, the person has to the person wants to reach this line in shortest time. Okay, so in order to reach that, he has to take this line. Okay, so we have to find the slope of this perpendicular. Okay, to find the slope of the perpendicular, we need the slope of the baseline, this line. Okay, so already we have calculated the slope of this line. Okay, if we know the value of slope of this line, we can easily find the slope of the perpendicular. Okay, let me explain how to find that. So already we have calculated the slope of the line 6x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0, which is equal to 6 by 7. Now we have to find the slope of the perpendicular. Slope of the perpendicular means this PQ line. Okay, we are going to find the slope of this line. Okay, the slope of this line is called slope of perpendicular. Okay, so now slope of perpendicular is minus 1 by m. Okay, which is equal to minus 1 divided by m is, the value of m is 6 by 7. Okay, slope of the perpendicular form is minus 1 by m. M already we have calculated 6 by 7. Okay, so minus 1, the slope of the perpendicular is minus 1 by m, so that is equal to minus 1 divided by 6 by m. So this 7 goes to the numerator and gets multiplied with this minus 1, so that is equal to minus 7 divided by 6. Okay, so now x1 y1 is equal to, that is the point P is minus 1 by 17 comma 22 by 17, and the slope of the perpendicular is minus 1 by m, which is equal to minus 7 by 6. Okay, now the equation of perpendicular, that is equation of path. We are asked to find out the equation of path that he should follow. Okay, so this is the equation. So this is the way the person has to travel to reach the given line. Okay, so we have to find the equation of perpendicular. Okay, so the equation of perpendicular is also called the equation of path for the given situation. Okay, so the equation of perpendicular is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Already we have listed the values of x1 y1 and minus the value of slope of perpendicular. Okay, so just plug in. So the formula is, equation of perpendicular is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So that is equal to y minus, the value of y1 is 22 divided by 17, and value of x1 is minus 1 by 17, and the value of minus 1 by m is minus 7 by 6. Okay, just plug in the value, so it will become y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Okay, so y minus, the value of y1 is 22 by 17, the value of minus 1 by m is minus, the value of minus 1 by m is minus 7 by 6. Okay, into x minus x1, the value of x1 is minus 1 by 17. Okay, the value of minus 1 by m is minus 7 by 6, and x1 y1 is minus 1 by 17 and 22 by 17. Okay, just plug in, so the equation becomes y minus 22 by 17 equal to minus 7 by 6 into x minus of minus 1 by 17. Okay, so the next equation, now the equation becomes y minus 22 by 17 equal to minus 7 by 6. This minus into minus will become plus. Okay, so the next step is take the LCM. 17 into y will be equal to 17y minus 22 the whole divided by 17. Here also take LCM. 17 into x will be equal to 17x plus 1 the whole divided by 17. Okay, now cross out this 17 and this 17. Okay, so just cancel these 17 on both sides. Okay, because they are, the 6 and 17 are the product of the terms. Okay, so we can cancel these two 17. Okay, so now the next equation becomes 17y minus 22 is equal to minus 7 by 6 into 17x plus 1. Okay, we can cancel this 17 and this 17. Now multiply this 17y minus 22 by 6. Okay, so 6 into 17y, 6 into 17y will be equal to 6 into 17y will be equal to 102y, and minus 22 into 6 equal to minus 132, minus 7 into 17x equal to minus 119x, minus 7 into 1 will be equal to minus 7. Okay, now move this minus 132 to this side, so it will become plus 132, and move this minus 119x to this side, so it will become plus 119x plus 102y 102y equal to minus 7, and this minus 102 sorry 132 goes to this side, so it will become 132. Okay, so the next equation is 119x plus 102y equal to 132 minus 7 equal to 125. Okay, so this is the required equation of the path. Okay, equation of perpendicular. Okay.